At 6:01 a.m., before I've touched my keyboard, I already know my 3 priorities for the day. My most important emails have been summarized. My schedule has been analyzed for conflicts. 3 social media posts for the day are drafted and waiting for my approval. And a news brief on the topics that matter to my business has been compiled, from 12 different sources. None of this happened manually. I built a system last year that runs every single morning while I sleep. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to build it, step by step, using tools that cost less than a single takeout meal per month. Welcome back to AutonomiLab. If this is your first video here, we build systems that do the work so you don't have to. Last week we covered the $0 framework for building your first online income stream. Today we're going deeper, into how you design a morning that's already productive before you even sit down. This system uses 4 tools. I'll walk through each one, show you the exact setup, and give you the full automation flow so you can copy it this weekend. Let's go. The morning automation system has 4 components. Component 1, Zapier, the trigger and connector. This is what kicks everything off at 6 a.m. automatically. Component 2, CLAUDE AI, the thinking layer. It reads your tasks and calendar and produces a prioritized brief. Component 3, Notion, the workspace. Everything lands here, organized, ready to read. Component 4, Gmail filter rules, the triage layer. Your inbox is pre-sorted before you even open it. Used together, these 4 components save approximately 45 minutes every morning. That's 5.6 hours per week. 24 hours per month. 3 full work days per month, reclaimed. Zapier is the engine of the system. Here's how to set up the morning trigger. Log into Zapier. Click Create Zap. For your trigger, select Schedule by Zapier. Set it to fire every weekday at 6 a.m. your local time zone. This single trigger will set off a chain of automations. Every morning, at 6 a.m., Zapier wakes up and starts running your system, whether your computer is on or off. Now, from this trigger, you're going to create 3 separate paths. The first path pulls your Google Calendar events for the day. The second path pulls your 3 most important Notion tasks. The third path sends both pieces of information to CLAUDE AI for processing. For the Google Calendar path, add a Zapier action, Google Calendar, find events. Set the time window to today. It will return your full schedule for the day. For the Notion tasks path, add a Zapier action, Notion, find database item. Filter by your tasks database where status is priority or today. Returns your top tasks. Both outputs get sent to the next step, Claude. This is the intelligence layer. You're going to pass today's calendar events and top tasks to Claude and ask it to act as your chief of staff. In Zapier, add an action, Claude by Anthropic, send message. This requires a Claude API key, which you get free from claude.ai/API with $5 in free credits to start. Your prompt, copy this exactly. You are my chief of staff. Here is my schedule for today, calendar data. Here are my top tasks, task data. Your job, 1. Identify any scheduled conflicts or back-to-back meetings I should prepare for. 2. Give me exactly 3 work priorities in order of business impact. 3. Flag anything I should prepare for in the next 2 hours. Format your response clearly with headers. Keep it under 200 words. Be direct, not motivational. What comes back is a concise, intelligent brief. Not a generic motivational paragraph. An actual operational summary of your day, generated in seconds, personalized to your calendar and your tasks. This alone replaces the 15 to 20 minutes most people spend at the start of their day figuring out what to work on. After Claude generates your brief, Zapier automatically drops it into Notion. Add a Zapier action, Notion, create page. Select your workspace. Set the parent page to a database called Morning Briefs. You'll create this in Notion in advance as a simple database with a date field and a content field. Every morning, a new page is created automatically. It's titled with the date. The body contains your Claude-generated brief. Your calendar summary is appended below. Your priority tasks are listed at the bottom. When you wake up and open Notion, which you should make the first tab on your browser, everything is already there. One page. One read. You know your day in under 3 minutes. Pro tip: set Notion as your browser homepage. Create a shortcut on your phone home screen. Friction reduction is everything. The less effort it takes to access your brief, the more consistently you'll use it. The last component doesn't use AI, it uses a system that's been available in Gmail for years and almost nobody uses properly. Gmail filters. Here's how to set them up so your inbox is pre-sorted before you touch it. Go to Gmail settings, filters, and blocked addresses. Create a new filter. Filter 1, the action required label. Create a filter for emails that come from your key contacts, clients, business partners, your boss. Apply label, action required. These appear at the top of your inbox. Everything else is secondary. Filter 2, the newsletters label. Filter has the words unsubscribe or email preferences or mailing list. Apply label, newsletters. Skip inbox. You check this folder once a week, not every hour. Filter 3, the receipts label. Filter from PayPal or Stripe or Shopify or Amazon or Gumroad. Apply label, receipts. Skip inbox. Auto archive. Filter 4, the waiting label. Any email you've sent that needs a reply, manually drag to waiting. Review this label every morning as part of your brief reading routine. With these 4 filters, you open your inbox and immediately see 3 emails that require your action, nothing else screaming for your attention, and the rest sorted automatically. The last piece of the morning system is optional but highly valuable, an automated news brief covering only the topics that affect your work and income. Here's how: sign up for Feedly, free. Add RSS feeds for 5 to 8 publications relevant to your niche. For AutonomiLab topics, mine include TechCrunch AI, MIT Technology Review, The Hustle, Axios Pro Tech. Then use Zapier, Feedly, new article, trigger filter by keyword, only articles containing AI tools or passive income or creator economy. Send filtered headlines and summaries to a Notion page called Daily News Brief. Takes 5 minutes to read. Keeps you informed on what's actually relevant without doom scrolling. Here is your complete morning automation system. Step 1, Zapier fires at 6 a.m., pulls your Google Calendar plus Notion tasks. Step 2, data is sent to Claude API, generates your prioritized daily brief. Step 3, brief is automatically deposited into a Notion Morning Briefs database. Step 4, Gmail filters have pre-sorted your inbox overnight, action items surface first. Bonus step, Feedly RSS plus Zapier delivers a curated news brief to Notion. Time to set up the full system, one Saturday afternoon, 3 to 4 hours. Time saved every morning once built, 40 to 50 minutes. Monthly time saved, over 20 hours. Total tool cost, Zapier free plan for basic setup, Claude API, $5 credit to start, Notion free, Gmail free. Potentially $0 to start. The full Zapier template for this system is linked in the description, it's free. You can import it directly and